Hello, welcome to my channel Moon's Beauty World. Hi guys, today I'm here with this one. It's from Loreal True Match Nude First Tinted Serum. This is serum, you can use it as a primer as well. So it has 1% pure hyaluronic acid. First we need to know what hyaluronic acid does. It plumps your skin, it hydrates. Anybody has concern with the anti-aging, hyaluronic acid gonna work. And it has little bit color. Not full coverage, not a medium coverage, but is a very sheer coverage. So it has anti-aging benefit with fresh look, with little bit color. Who doesn't want to have lot of makeup on their face? Who wants just their skin look fresh? They can use it, no doubt. And it has anti-aging benefit at the same time. So let me see first how it works. So first things, it has like a, you can see dropper. My one concern is a little bit, the dropper is a little bit wide, so when I try to close it, I have to be very careful. Otherwise, it goes by the side, which I don't want to waste it because it's just not only makeup. If it is a makeup either, still I don't want to waste it. So this is my only one concern. Rather than is everything is fine. So you can see a few drops I got, and I'm gonna blend it. This is for all skin type. It blends so nicely. Anybody has concern with the oily skin, they can use it. And anybody has very dry skin, they can use it as well. It's not show lot of oil. It doesn't show anything. It's just so light and blended so nicely. Nobody can tell you have something, but it's gonna even tone kind of, because it's gonna give you a little bit fresh, but it won't cover anything. First things, it won't cover its sheer coverage, but it gonna plump, it gonna hydrates. It's blend on my skin. I even cannot really feel that I have something here, but when I touch it, I can feel it is soft, smooth. This is from Loreal, and the first tinted serum with 1% pure hyaluronic acid instantly hides its luminous mineral pigments lightweight coverage that even complexion, and it has 10 nudes radiant shades. So I have on my skin this one as a primer. I use today, it is as a primer, and I have on my skin 6 to 7 is an 10. The shades I use is 10, 6 to 7. It's blended so nicely. I use first on my skin, and then I use little bit makeup so that it covers full coverage makeup. I have it on. If anybody wants to use it just as a tinted moisturizer, they can use it, because it gives you the soft look, it gives you the smooth surface, it will give you anti-aging benefit plus fresh look. So this is from Loreal. It has 10 different shades, and I got it, it's $19.99 the price, and I got it from Walgreens, and I used it as a primer today. You can use as a serum, or you can use itself. It gonna smooth nice surface. Who doesn't want too much on their face, just ready to go somewhere and have little bit quick something, they can use this one. So that's all for today. Hope to see you on my next video. Till then, bye.